I am here to discuss the so-called flying saucers. The Air Force interest in this problem has been due to our feeling of an obligation to identify and analyze to the best of our ability anything in the air that may have the possibility of threat or menace to the United States. In pursuit of this obligation, since 1947, we have received and analyzed between 1,000 and 2,000 reports that have come to us from all kinds of sources. Of this great mass of reports, we have been able adequately to explain the great bulk of them, explain them to our own satisfaction. We've been able to explain them as hoaxes, as erroneously identified friendly aircraft, as meteorological or electronic phenomena, or as light aberrations. However, there have been a certain percentage of this volume of reports that have been made by credible observers of relatively incredible things. It is this group of observations that we now are attempting to resolve. Our basic difficulty in dealing with these is that there is no measurement of them that makes it possible for us to put them in any pattern that would be profitable for a deliberate, custom sort of analysis to take the next step. We have, as of date, come to only one firm conclusion with respect to this remaining percentage, and that is that it does not contain any pattern of purpose or of consistency that we can relate with to any conceivable threat to the United States. Is that? We can say that the recent sightings are in no way connected with any secret development by any department of the United States.
But also, according to Atlas Obscura, if I'm pronouncing it last word correctly, I believe it's Obscura. But you can do a Google search and see if I said it correctly. Well, anyway, there are 17 places people go to hunt for aliens, according to this article. ETs have been here for thousands of years. This planet belongs to them. Every human being on this planet was seated here from an unknown dimension or unknown dimensions outside of planet Earth. What's more is that we have been observed and we will continue to be observed by these race of beings as long as we live. Earth is a multi-dimensional place. It's bigger than just 3D. There are other dimensions with more than one frequency that can manipulate our frequency when they come into our reality or material world. The United States is a federal corporation. S corporations and pass-through businesses is right at 30 million. A list of UFO businesses and organizations is more than likely listed in that 30 million number. There are corporations that works directly with UFOs and ET technology. When you are seeing both man-made alien craft through reverse engineering and real craft above our skies, they could be doing business with our many corporations that are working directly with ET technology. We live in a dangerous, extremely violent world. Orbs or UFOs will continuously observe humanity, especially in locations around nuclear facilities, because these beings that created humanity, they know how dangerous human beings can be. And they don't want human beings to destroy the world with nuclear weapons. So yes, they are observing us and watching us. So when you see these orbs up there, you know why. There, as I indicated, there are reverse engineering craft in our horizon. They are there as well. It's a business, people. They are working with scientists in many areas, in many places in the United States, mostly in underground alien bases. The military knows exactly who they are and where they are. Conclusively, when you see what may appear as supernatural objects in the sky that may defy what we are used to seeing as commonality, don't be frightened. As I said, they are observing us, not wanting us to destroy this planet, because this earth belongs to them. It was there for thousands and thousands of years. We're the new giant come lately. Remember, at birth, when we come into planet Earth, we come from another dimension, and we are seated here by more intelligent beings than we are. I hope this video puts some of these perspectives, as I mentioned, in proper content. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.